We see ourselves as a key part of the Australian economy and a key gateway for New South Wales. We're a port landlord, so we operate Port Botany and Port Kembla and Wollongong, and our service is providing the right infrastructure for the importers and exporters to move their cargo in and out of Australia. One of our big strategies at the moment is just facilitating a modal shift from truck to rail, and we're investing heavily in rail infrastructure within our ports. So we wanted to make sure that our business operations and our strategy were really supported by our IT architecture. So from here on, we're able to very simply, in simple one-page graphical snapshots, give us a good outcome and a good value report in terms of the enterprise architecture, and then what's the case for change, and then what should our IT application roadmap be. And so now we've got a great roadmap as to how we need to move forward and how we need to think about our applications and how they're interfacing with our ERP system as well, how we can leverage the data that we get at the moment, and how that can really sort of help underpin our strategy and operation. If you bring a third party in as well, that can actually help bring the stakeholders together, facilitate the process as well, because you've got an independent party who's helping you drive the process. And from here on, we're very good in terms of getting that to work and getting a good team structure for us with the right experience and good individuals who were then able to deliver that scope and really quickly get us to a good value outcome within a space of 6 weeks.